Uh, okay, so going from two devices, one has to be disabled. So my aux disabled. Now is it audible? Yeah. So we're back at this. Right now, what I'm trying to, you know, figure out is, oh my bad. Let's go to Zen mode. That's much cleaner. Now, these are the rooms, right? One of the rooms. You have to decide. So, okay. Full screen works like that. What is the stream quality looks so not that good. But anyways, we cannot do anything for that. So um, properties, you can add, I guess, a filter or something and give us some gain or something like that. Or mm, now let's try to give some gain to it. Okay, my bad. Just one second. So we're back. Now what I have to work upon is, so this is the code. We also have our website. I guess we need to do a display capture. Now let's just change the controls. Sources will have to be changed, and this thing. Can we do that? What this? So answer need to show my browser. Just remove it and then now the display capture is there. Okay. Capture the cursor also. Controls. This has to move down. Okay. The stream should not be visible, but let's go to local host 3000. This is the website, right? Right on the website. If we like click on it, we're able to create an array. As of now, let's get with the HMI controllers and not this. Okay, so let's just go HMI devices. We'll be able to like go to it, and it's not going to be nested. It's going to be HMI controllers. Now defined. No issues. Super nested. We are not going to do that much. We're just going to map that is not defined. Okay, so deep count we don't need it. So like I think there is an error. Also it tells that okay. So the error is each. Okay, that's one error. I think peeps is not like this. It's gonna work out. Not peeps also. Let's just say devices. Because they are devices. Now see, the devices have been added. Also let's get a key property. Because we have two children with the same name. Now versus refresh it. Okay, that's fine. Right now the change function is not going to do anything, but it's going to give an error, it has not done. But anyways, so these are the devices. So each and every device, what we have to do is we have to just give it a div container. So like we will be able to add that li first of all, and whatever this is, and also a button, which like select that, which select that specific device, and there's placed like that, which I think would have been fixed if like we would have wrapped it in the card. Yeah, that's fine. And I think we need to put an li. We can say like p, right? Yeah, that's fine. These are the devices that we can select on, right? And we'll select the device and then go on further, right? Okay. Once we select the device, we are going to change the route. So obviously, that's why we have that navigate function. That will navigate us to define a path. So when we click, right, we have a function that's going to navigate us to define. Click on that, there's nothing in the define path because right now we have not established However, once we click on the define environment, before that, pass the HTML index to the selected device. And how we can do that? I think that's also not much of a problem. However, we will have to define function for that first, right? Yeah. Let's think on that thing. How can we do that? When you have that, when we don't put anything right, like this, it definitely gives an error. What if we return the function declaration must be able to accept? Okay, so it does not work like that. I don't know how React works because it's quite a lot confusing at times. So because I'm not a fan of one-liners, to be honest. I hate one-line codes. They're literally crap. Anyways, this is the what do you say? Mm, okay, I think I haven't checked my mail first. Let me just check. So I'll have to look at my screen. Then I'll take Oh shit, my bad. Whole time I was mute. It's beautiful. Anyway, I discussed a lot of things, but now there's no going back. Now what I'm doing is, I'm getting the HTML device. Let's just, render it. So see, this is the HTML device. It's a list for sure. For that, we need the HTML controller index, and for that, we have just got it on time. So HTML devices, and we just need the HTML index for that, and in that, we have typed into the rooms. For the rooms, we are going to map. This is going to be the room, and this is going to be li element. We don't need li, but we can just give it a div. Yeah, the development has been added, and what you can say in the rooms part, let's give it some values. So what a room can contain is a name, that's going to be a bedroom. It's ID definitely, so ID something blah blah blah, and a room can have multiple values. So multiple rooms, obviously, your apartment can have multiple lightroom, bedroom, whatever you want to give, right? So what are we gonna do is, sorry, in the div part, rooms dot name we are gonna just render it out. Let's just check that if it is working. Okay, so let's go refresh. Should have a unique key prop. Bedroom lightroom. There is it. There it is. Right? None, because there's no room. Okay. It's not showing me that key prop problem. And yeah, that's the reason why. Is apartment page device selected. Okay. This thing should be done. Okay, so that's anyway. This is it. Device selected, HTML device 0. Instead of device selected, we can see, since we have the HTML index, right? We can just tap into the HTML devices and then you can give the HTML index and then you can just give a name. Just give on name. ESP32 is the device that we just selected, right? Okay, I'm done. Where is it? So let's go back. So there is a bit of a delay stream. However, I will just move on. Settings. Any problem? Oh, we're on 60 FPS. That's beautiful. And it's also consuming that much of CPU from the laptop. Back in here, I think, because the laptop's optimized for that. Anyways, this is the devices that we have selected. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a button that will add a room because that's the specific functionality that we need. Sorry, just got my emotions. I just added a div because why not? Just a custom. Oh, let's just add a room. Right. We also need the function for adding room. Add room, use store, state, add room. My bad. We have to now work on the function of adding the room. I think we don't need this. We do need it for like our reference in going into the depths of each and every value. So yeah, it's like that. Now we can go to add room. Definitely it will take the data, and then what we need is set and state, and we go. It's not assigned as assigned value, but we will definitely use you. Don't worry. Where is that add room again? Yeah, on this. And do need to like pass it like that. Add room data. Let's just give it some name. It's gonna be room. I would say let's give it ID of something. Blah blah blah. It's up to you. Right now, let's see. Almost not gonna be added. gives an error. If undefined. Oh yeah, because if we have not returned anything, again, I think if we return like this, well, this should give an error. It's fine. Now we have to like change the states and tap states and whatnot. But now there's again problem. I don't think we can do this thing. We're gonna tap into that. That's I think we can do it in this part. Yeah, I'm getting the idea what we are trying to do. We'll see. We will not need that. But anyways, let's go. Now what we are gonna do is we have changed the value of what HMI controllers, right? Let's go HMI controllers. And how are we gonna change the value? We need to unpack the value of HMI controllers. Just thinking. Now this is where we are stuck. Not stuck, like thinking. We open the data store and another page also. Like display the data. Yeah, data store. I go to this part about this is where we have to think. HMI controllers. I'll just think of, for example, if I wanted to add an HMI controller, what would I have to do? I would first have to unpack those fields, right? So, and how are we going to do that? We are just going to use state, and that we need HMI controllers. And this will be the new value that we have just unpacked, right? Just giving me that function. Let's just say um, unexpected order. Okay. Think like this. Yeah. Name, I would say make a device and ID. I would say, you know, cares the ID. Hopefully it works. Nice, nice. Now if I have that into HMI controllers, HMI controllers, right? I have to change more values. Let's go. Aha moment. I'm just having an aha moment on HMI controllers. We are gonna definitely go with HMI controller index if it's not an issue. It's undefined. Well, I will define it for you. Are you fine? Yes. I have tapped into that object. So we definitely need to unpack those objects, right? I've gotten into that array. Like I've unpacked each and every value. Now I guess I've unpacked that also. Damn, this is literally confusing. Just thinking on it. Because we have to change value on let me think. Just that. Yeah, limited value, unlimited containers. Why us? Just do the instant find the element. So get a copy of the state array. Wow, I understood everything, man. Lightning. Yes, I had to understand it, but I ain't getting shit. But however, this is the return function, I guess. Current main object. How are we gonna get that? State.html folders. State.html index. Control index. Let's do yeah. Uh, let's do that. Right. That's enter. Right. It's inside that. Let me just say this is an array. We need to change the values of this array. How are we gonna go to that specific value? You know what I'm saying, right? Because every controller has that. I think we have tapped into that. What I'm saying, we have tapped into that current HMA object by going into that controller. So like this is the HMA. We're inside that. We have to access the rooms out of this HMA. Now, are we will we be able to get that rooms back? Because that rooms can be anything. That thing can be anything. Right? It's not gonna work like that. That's where I'm confused. Oh man, that is so beautiful. I think I'm not that good at JavaScript after all. Just think. Uh, oh, this is a nice UI. Okay, copy the array. Service. Yeah, see, that's what I was talking about. I think we will have to do that each and every time that we are going to update that because it's immutable. Like, we have to change it every time we change it. I hate that syntax because I am not understanding any shit from the syntax. So I'll follow the syntax. Okay. I'll go with this one. This looks much cleaner and better. After all, old HMA, I'll just go with HMA controllers. Right? Just got the controllers. On this old HMA, I do need the index. That we can just get it from HMA controller index. That we have just mapped the function that I can go to rooms. Let me just say, sorry, rooms is a list. So again, it's a list. Let's just empty the list. Return is not defined. Okay, sorry. Now it will be defined for you. Hopefully, no error happens. I go back. It's there. But however, the rooms are damaged. It didn't happen reactively. So this is a problem that I'm having with React itself, with JavaScript. This is a JavaScript fault, I guess. Hopefully. Yep. Not happening. Beautiful. Concat. Let's just write concat then. Whatever. Name. Beautiful. Just can't find that. I think what I can do is I don't have to do that. I guess. That old fashioned concat is not going to work. In this, I'll have like default state HTML controllers. Now I will go to HTML controller index, and that will just you know. Yeah, in this part, I'll definitely give a name. We should room ID, some ID, some random ID. Okay. Nice. It's not getting updated. Beautiful. Updating like that. It's not updating reactively. But it should update reactively, right? Old HTML, let's just try this method. Might work. Oh, no, that's nice. Hey, just added the room. I don't know how, but like, just added it. Yeah, that's nice. Yes, that was the functionality that I was needing. I was working for such a long time. Beautiful. Nice. I don't know how it works or how it was done, but it was done. And this is some JavaScript, weird JavaScript that I also don't even understand. Playing with the JavaScript that I just. Nice. Playroom, everything just nice. Phew. Dude, it's mind boggling. Anyways, we are gone. Now we have to go to the boards and then the switches. So it's gonna get beautiful. More fun. I'll just take a 15 minutes break. Coffee break. Okay. Sure. Yep. So I'm back. And with my coffee, which is tastes awesome right now. And let's go on to working on the things. Let's go on where we left off. I'll just increase the gain a bit, so like the sound is audible. Okay, so I'm getting notifications. Okay, one second. Coffee. Ah, I like this stuff. So, 33%. Let's work on it now. Let's get to work. It's the battery. Yeah, fine. We can add the room, right? Right now we have to give, uh, now before going on to onto further complications, we have to like get that what do you say, an input box so that can lol. High five. Built again. Anyways, it's obviously gonna get built again because we are just updating the state, so obviously the components are gonna get built. That's how like Flutter also works, I guess. Yes, I was at this is the data store. We just worked on the data store. We are just working on the room list, right? Another room list part. Um, thinking on it, dude. Then the hell will apartment page do with the room list? Okay, this thing has to go on the room list. Divs. It's not wrapped in a div. Now that we can wrap. Uh, yeah. So you know how to select. Oh my bad. What the fuck? What's this? And all select. So we can just do. It's a nice handy shortcut. Just learn it from somewhere. You get a lot of things you can learn from online. HTML devices. Before that, I think. Oh, store is there. That's beautiful. In it. Store is there already, and functions. I think we'll keep it in this. You know, we are not going to need it anymore. And this thing, HTML devices is not defined. Okay. Um, I think we'll need it. Hey, I don't need this. Well, somehow I might need it. Let's not think of making an optimized state management right now. Let's just figure out like working on the basic structure, and I am moving on further with it. Actually, I cannot look at the live replay, right? Or pop on chat. It's nice. It's nice. Okay. Yeah. So specs. Yeah. There are female watchers. That's nice. And current viewers. One excellent connection. That's nice. Two views. Hmm. Working on this app now. What time have I been streaming on? It's been like 1 hour 3 minutes something. I'll be streaming until this website just finishes. Finishes just basic structure, and then we will be working on that. What do you say? Uh, styling of it. Gonna be a complete playlist on that HMA. Hmm. So we can just add a room. Okay, it's not building room. Um, that's oh yeah, because we had just made this right now. Okay, don't we need index? Hmm. We are not rendering it, so we can just do it. Well, let's just implement that rooms list. Just got the rooms list is not defined in rooms list. Let me just get from better than using it like that. Index right now. Yep. That's gonna be HMA index. Well and good. Yep. Nice. Add into the prop. Sup ma'am, how are you? Toggle chat. And there's no, what can I say? There's no pop-up that, yeah, chat, do you know like how to uh, in a chat, like just put it on the side or something like that. I can do one thing is, what is it? I can open the live stream and just, check the live chat there. That's a bit better. So live chat is open. Yep, I can see your live chats now. Hmm. Yeah. So see, I've added the room. Now I want one thing to do is I need to, get an input like what should be the room name, obviously, right? Let's get it how. Again, a div, another div, everything is a div. HTML, fucking hell. Input, do we room name? Do we need, do we do it like that? Because, um, uh, my bad. Yeah, it doesn't work like that, right? Type, it's gonna be, C, clear, cause I think input doesn't work like that. Anyways, just, just closing tag. Yeah. Right now, it's just a playroom, whatever, but I'm fine, man. I was so vexed up, it's just like, when I was doing the state management. So right now I'm just chatting with you, okay? So hear me out. So are you listening? Am I muted or something? No. Anyways, thank you. Pretty professional night. Thank you. I've been trying it for a bit of a long time. What can I say? Right? moving on. This is the ad room. Oh, uh, so okay. What happened? What is this? Oh shit! I had to keep it. And this, this JavaScript formatting is so, what can I say? Nice, not nice at all. You just can know what the values are there. Now, so for that, the user ref. Yeah, I used user ref, I guess, as I had like just learned from the user ref. Okay. So, hmm, input value, it's going to be input value, and input value is use state. Okay, so let's just React take input from input tag. Things like that. So I like the documentation or like the websites. We don't need on change. So I think there's a slight delay in you chatting up. I'm not sure. Where is that use ref hook? Do you know how to use like that use ref? Oh, nice one to add it as uncertainty graph. First thing first, use ref with use ref and kind of. What does that mean? Change input value with use ref. I think I don't need to change the input value. I just need that how to use that. Use ref. Now I think I'll have to go to that old school method of just opening the first React project that like I had worked on. Oh, nice. You should do the task. Don't let me bother you. I'll be wasting your time. There's nothing, productive going on in the stream. I'm just, writing rubbish code. Like, see the website. It's so beautiful. Like, see, do you see anything beautiful in this website? It's just like there's no CSS, nothing in this. It's and you are like React developer. You'll be like, what the shit is this guy making? I guess you'll be what? Uh, yep. Use ref. Oh, ooh, nice. All projects, startup projects, not startup. No, see, I think Meetup you were working, right? Yeah. I'll go to components, meetups, meetup item.js, use ref. I didn't like I was working on that state management. The worst was context. It was so shitty, so much boilerplate code. Wow. Yeah, use ref. Found it. And yeah, we have this use ref. We are gonna use ref. Ma'am, you should work on your JPMC work. Don't let me waste your time. Okay, so const name input ref use ref. It's definitely gonna show an error that What the fuck is useref? UGG. But you will get distracted. That's what I'm saying. Useref from React. Okay. Useref. I know, lol. Nice. See in the input required ID ref um input required. Yeah, we definitely require this. Oh, no, that's not a form. Anyways, it's just give it an ID. So, anyways, we are not gonna use that ID, I guess. I'm not sure. Anyways, room name input ref. So yes, just got that room name input ref. And how are we gonna use that? That's one thing that I was thinking of use ref using it with uh okay, that is the use ref, and you get the value by current dot value. So it's like, and instead of room name, what I can say, I can say that. Oh, or can we use it? Oh, we can use it. So nice, that's nice. Room input ref dot current dot value. Sorry, dot value. Let's get on with it now. Let's try that if we can give us different room. So it's like room, add room. Nice. And I think once we add a room, let's just clear the input. So after each React, I think useref can do that. I'm not sure. Anyways, web ID root, web vitals, blah blah blah. This coffee's finished. One more. Yes. Um, uh, use state. I wouldn't tell you to use state. Oh yeah, I got it. How to reset it. So just it's that simple. Once you've got the ID, you just go to current right value, and you just say empty string. You can just say it empty string, right? Okay, is there a problem? Yep, there is. I was inside it. Uh, like, there's a problem. So there's a problem with the formatting. Now, in this function, we can just say this. Yeah, nice. Let's just try it out first if it works or not, because that's always a big problem for me. Lol. Let's just add a room lol. That's nice, beautiful. It's being added. I'll just go back. I'll select the different rooms that we have. Right now, there is no room. Lol is there still. And we will say that Boda room, whatever room. You can just put anything. So, Gopa room, whatever. Gopa room. Anyways, we've added it. Now let's go back. It's there. Water room, Hopa room is also there. Beautiful. There's nothing in that. Nano room. So nano, cube, chota, mota, anything. Added. It's been added. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. Now that's been done. Let me just check the audio if like the audio is properly coming out. Now I'm just testing my device output from that from my earphones. Earphones. So I think it's giving us a good output, I would say. I'll just oh what the what is this? What is this? Oh shit, my bad. There was too many fetches. Fetches, add room, bolt again, whatever you want to put. So now my lap is getting heated up. That's nice. CPU usage is not that much, but I don't know why it's getting heating up. Not that much, I would say, but yeah, anyways, because it's been a long time, I guess that's why. Just muted 1 minute. Okay, whatever you want to put. So now my lap is getting heated up. So that's nice. CPU usage is not that much, but I don't know why it's getting not that much, I would say, but yeah, anyways. Oh shit, I was on mute. That's a bad transition. Coffee breaks. Now let me just remove this one. That had to be, a 15 minutes break. It was written it was 15 minutes break. It was a 15 minutes break. Anyways, and if I duplicate this, coffee break, rename, coffee text, coffee break. Let me just check that out if it's coffee break only. Again, the text hasn't changed because I think this element has been duplicated. Anyways, I'll change this 15 minutes break, blue break, or whatever you know. Like, put right, and I will just remove this element. I'll put another element. It will be text GDI, coffee break, text transform. No, none. Select font. We do have Spanish node font. Yeah, this font looks beautiful, right? This is nice. Nice. This looks like a coded font, right? I was just having a break. Anyway, let's move on to the different functionalities now. Fetches definitely adds it. Okay. Let me just refresh the page. Define apartment should have a unique key value. Not a problem right now. It's not a problem. Yeah. I just select it. Unique key value, not an issue. No, okay. It's required. Yeah. Also, one more thing. If, you know, just in case, if I say that if room name dot current value dot, the value of length is not equal to 0, only then we will actually add this. And before that, we are not going to do anything. So right now it's adding, right? And if it's empty, we are not going to add it. Definitely, but right, if the input is empty, then we have to just add a to do, right? I'll just add a to do here. That um, update, notify the user that the value can be empty. Yes. 223, nothing found. But for example, if I just put it here, okay, it's like that. Okay, got it. It has to be there. Yes. So let's go back and we're taking the input, the ID we are going to handle by ourselves. Make auto IDs also. That's also one thing that we have to look at. And what else? Yeah, with the rooms in the room list, exactly. We also need a function of uh, select room. Inside this div only, I guess I will add another div because why not? That is going to be a button div in which like select room. Yeah. We'll handle the on clicks after. Okay, so it's not doing that. Sorry, in the map function it had to be. My bad. Yeah. So wow. Oh, damn. So that element was getting rendered, and this really does not look good. Just import card. Fuck. Damn. Not from learning projects, dude. Not from learning projects. Uh, um, that's we don't have any UI, right? Do we? We have it, right? Exactly. We are not gonna do that. We are now gonna import card, and yeah, now it's fine. And this is gonna be card. Hey, what the fuck? Card. Yeah, you gotta map that. My lab. I'm a noob, man. What can I do? Div. Now each and every element, this and this is gonna be a card, so that we don't have much of a problem. Good. That's what I wanted, right? Exactly. Bedroom, select room, light room, and you have your light room. If you just add that also, sorry, light room 2 it had to be. I think we need to give them a delete function here, right? Delete icon there, so that they will be able to delete that room. First of all, let's just work on that also, because we have to add the room and we also have to delete the room. So before selecting the room that we are definitely going to do, we have to delete the room, and that is also going to be in that div, delete room. So is it there? So delete room should delete it. Now we definitely need some unique IDs, because we know when we are going to refresh it, we have the unique IDs. Or do we? We don't have. No, that's bad. We definitely can get. How? Rooms.id dump Navas. Yeah, but if you add a room, it doesn't have any ID. I think it had to give uh, an error, but anyways, should be unique so that the components, the keys are not unique. What the fuck? Are they? Aren't they? Let me select that. Let me check that out. Yep, they are not. So now they're unique, I guess. Yep, no errors. Refresh the page, define apartment. Very well. Yeah. And so the apartment page is there. It's still streaming, I guess. Yeah, nice. Yeah. So my audio still hello. Yep, I'm there. Existing. So yeah, delete the room. For deleting the room, we have to write a function for that. Now this was the add room function, and then the select HMA device. Hopefully there would have been a way, just to abstract all of the stuff that we have just here.
to somewhere else, like a function that could have done that. Let me just find that function, add room, and let me just see that if we can, because obviously this is a global state, we can do that. And where are the errors? Let's let the error come. So many errors. Beautiful. Unexpected token. Oh yeah, this is not how it works. Do data is not defined. Any error else? Defined but never used. Okay, data is not defined. We can just get the data from here. Dude, now set is not defined. Hmm. So we can do what we were trying to do, can we? Let me just put it here then, otherwise has already been declared. Let me just remove that then. Oh, can I not? Set is not defined. Well, it had to be. Anyways, if it's that, then it's that. Can do anything. Yep. So now if we have added the room, we need to delete the room also. And how are we going to do that? From the room ID. Well, sorry, so intuitive, it's not at all. But I think we will get to that. Now we have to tap into the values exactly. Let's go with a shorthand notation. Notation, anyways. Unpack values. I guess I've gotten some idea of things, right? HMI controllers is there. Now we need to change the value of the HMI controller. How? Now state.hma controllers. Now we're inside it, I guess. And uh, ah, thinking. I guess we also will have to, because we are down inside that. And then, yep, my bad. One second. Judy called. Back again. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna go with this method of updating the value. I'll just go with the old HMI method. So like I will just unpack the values, HMI controllers, and just update the HMA. So how are we gonna do that? Now that's also a method. How we're gonna do is let's do that. Old HMA. Gonna return it like that. So room ID. Yeah. New room. It's gonna be HMI controllers. Sorry, it's not gonna work like that. HMI controllers. HMI controllers dot sorry, sorry for that also. HMI controller index dot rooms not filter. Now it takes an element filter method, and the one you want to delete, it's gonna be element dot id is not equal to room ID, I guess, but never used. And obviously the old HMA. Da, 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 da. HMA controller index rooms, and it doesn't update like that, obviously. Or it does. 519. 519. Yes. Um, is filter gonna work? Let me just check. New room. I would say CLG room deleted. Yes. Oh, go back to the React app. Delete the room. Nothing fired up. Because I've not attached that function to this. Right. Rooms list. Delete room is there, right? So you just store state delete room. Yep. There delete room. We have to just call that delete room, and it is gonna be on click, not on abort click, and it's gonna take a function and this and delete room with the ID. It's gonna be rooms.id. Because why not? Not rooms. Oh, that's bad. That's bad coding. Room. Hey, room. Okay. Delete. Room deleted. Now what does it show? Lightroom only is there, so it's definitely deleting the room, but we have to update the value now. And I know for sure one thing, the difference is definitely we have used the filter. Now old HMA, we have to update the old HMA. How are we gonna update that? And yeah, just thinking on it. Uh, Old HMA, let's go to HMA controller index and rooms. Now it's gonna be new room. Let's see if this works. It's fine. And obviously it's a state value. So I just gotta unpack it. Delete room. Nice. Rooms deleted. Beautiful. Now we are able to delete the rooms. Gotcha. So add the room and getcha. Add the room. Um, Same key. So if we try to delete it, obviously both the rooms are gonna get deleted. Yeah, it will work on that. What do you say? Um, nice sounds are coming. We're not in cockpit right now. But anyways, like when we are adding a room, let's just get down with the share value or something like that. I would say date time dot now. So we get it exactly. JavaScript date time object. The date references new date 8 current date current current time. Yep. Let's go. New date dot log date this date methods full year full date get date. I need a integer value because it's gonna um yeah, that's what I'm saying. JavaScript get epoch timestamp. Yes, see that's what I was searching for. Date time of now. Hmm. Get time directly timestamp in seconds. This gives in milliseconds. In milliseconds, high resolution. Milliseconds. I would say milliseconds directly. Let's check if it works. And I think, do you need to do what do you say? What I was saying, I just forgot. Nice. Yep. The data that we have, it's ID. How are we gonna do that? Date dot get time dot to string. I think this method exists. Hopefully it exists. And let's add the values. Add room. Error get time is not a function. Okay. Why is it not like that? Where was I? This one. Get day, get time zone. This. Set. JSON to ISO string. ISO standard. What is that? To ISO string. Next. And not exist on a type string. Do you mean quick fix to string? Might work, might not work. Okay, built. Yeah, 1 second. Hmm? क्या होगा ले तो सही किया अच्छा yeah back hmm. delete room deleted this so yeah, obviously if you do it in those intervals, built again and then get deleted because Posa add the room and Rosa add the room. So let's delete this room and this room and this room and this room. See, there's 1 second that I need. So just get a fine grained control. UTC. That's definitely gonna be a better method to, I guess, handle it. But let's see, it's not a function. And why is that, brother? Okay, between a specified date and this. Um, just get it by date dot now. Yeah, I guess it's like that. Date dot UTC. Thing is not defined. Date, sorry. Okay. Let's try to add it now. Okay. Goza, add room. Goza, add room. Two children. Now that's not good. Goza, add room, add room. So it's not creating the new dates, or is it? Let's check that out also. Add room, none. Not any. What the hell? 8.2 string. Hmm. Why it's given a -5 rating? No idea. Hmm. Why and how did I earn? Too cool for school. Nice. Set bounties. Yeah, help some people, I guess. Four. Wow, nice. Thank you, people. Best the accepted answer. There's no any accepted answer, however. Oh no, this is the industry practice that people are following. Let's use the index when iterating arrays. Okay, yeah. Actually, when you're, just using a function or whatever, you can just pass in the index. Yeah. That I didn't know. Not that you don't need to worry, I guess. Room, and is it first the index or oh okay. I closed it, haven't I? I guess I did. Man, I have to scroll that much. Next 23 searches. Nice. Ooh, yeah. List. The map. So it's totally different. Again, you gotta map it. Whoa. Oh, nice. Let me just try it out. Okay. It's gonna say that the index is here, right? Hopefully there's no any error. Or if there will be, so we'll get an idea of it. Okay. This is the index. Um, hmm, hmm. You know, we won't even need to find it. But is index the correct way to do that? Because I'm not sure. Just do that then. But I don't think this should be a correct way of doing it. Definitely do, you will have to. Oh my, is not defined, not an issue. Okay. That's how you unpack values, but hmm, I don't want to go with the row index. I want to go with that row ID method. I'm going to create unique IDs, so I won't have any issue later on. Hmm. We're having an issue of like creating the unique IDs, right? And why are we passing here only that UDC method that we are trying to do? It's not needed, right? This thing, let's just remove this thing. And when we are adding the room, we should think on that only. We are giving it an ID, but we shouldn't. Exactly. And for that, date, what are the methods that I'm match index of match slice to string to nothing I got. Get epoch time JavaScript. MDN docs. Best of best. Reduced time precision. 2ms. Bro, brother, 2ms won't be an issue, I would say. But anyways, cannot say anything. Edge is also there. What is this? Toggle history. Version 12 full support. Polyfill. If it's that, then it's that. Date.now. We'll just do this. And I guess we can add a room. Just added the room. We're not having any issues. Because it's always a different value, I guess. But however, we don't know the positioning of the values, but I think they are gonna be accordingly that only. And obviously the array is gonna get filtered. I don't know of any other optimized approach for that. But anyways, it's not much big of a problem, I would say. Right? Anyways, delete, delete. Right, done. Adding and deleting have been implemented. Now we need to select the room. Yep. And how are we gonna do that? How we are gonna do that? Ah, that's also simple. Let's just go to the rooms list, and now selecting the room, we have to go for the board page. So we will go to the app, we'll go to app.js, and then we'll define board page. So I'll just copy this one for easy handling. And I think we definitely need that import. Have we implemented the board page anyways? I don't think I have. FCC, FFC, I guess. FFC board page. Let's just pass a div. In that div, we will have h1. Define your board. Okay, nice, nice and easy, guys. Nice and easy. Let me just pass in props. Board for, I would say, props dot room name. Right? Ah, we cannot do that. We cannot pass in props. We will definitely need a uStore. Uh-huh. Username, uStore, state, state, current room name. Right? Let's go. Room name, done. I don't think we need nested now. That also will be updated. Delete room is working. Select HMA device is working. Yeah. Where was I? Current room name. Right now it will be empty, but we definitely need to change those values. That can be when we add the room. First of all, we will have to select the room. right? We'll have to do a lot of things. After selecting room, we'll need the current room index also as well. Let's just go with 0, right? Select room. How are we gonna select the room? Right? From room ID, obviously, down below. Now, see, if I had the room index, things would have been much easier. But I do have the room index. I can get the room index, but I will have to work for it a lot. Uh, okay, before that, let me just check one thing that are we able to access, board page, we will define it later on. But first of all, are we able to access this index? Because why not? I can think of it like okay, so that's an issue. Yeah, we can do that, but we cannot run like this. Okay. Inside it, let's try. Yep. CLG index. Let's go on and check that 0 1 0 1 0 1. That's bad. 0 1. Hmm. The shop, add room. 0 1 2. Select room, select room, select room. Instead of this, what I would say console.log is once we click on this delete room, select room function. Now on click, I would say um, yep, this CLG, and this is going to be the index because I think working with index is going to be much faster and much easier. Beautiful. We're able to select the index. So we won't have to do a lot of work because we know the room index. Room index. And we just need to extract the data. We just don't need to update the data. We just need to extract the data. I think that we might be able to do, right? Anyways. Hmm. Now we have to do some unpacking and packing. Let's find the index. How are we gonna do that? Um, yeah, packing. This is the spread operator. Find method. Yep. Yeah, yeah. There only. There. I'm going there. Find index. We know the room index. Okay. Yeah, we can do it. I was worried. State HMA controllers. We have the HMA index. That we will go to rooms. And in that we also have room index. We just need to get the name. And that's also much easier. It's not defined. Oh, yeah. Not an issue. We just have state dot this is assigned. Sorry, we have to return. Now what are we going to return is current room name. Current room name. This room name. Done. I don't think we need this, but let's just go with right now select room. And I think room current room index has also should also be updated. That can also be updated without any issues. Current room index. My bad, something went wrong. It's gonna be room index. Beautiful. Get on with it. Now let's navigate. Select function. Where is that select room? On click. Navigate to define board. Yeah. Select room. Oh, think, no, my bad. It's gonna be small n. Navigate hasn't been initialized. Not the problem. Use navigate. Navigate is defined. I think you don't need a navigate function after all. Select the room. Routes mismatched. What did I define it again? I didn't define it. Anyways, I will do it now. Define board. And this is gonna be board page. Just took that out of it. Board page. Define a board for. Well, that didn't go as planned. For a room name. Okay, we'll have to check that now. Hey, what the fuck? Room name. Huh? I think, yeah. That's where I forgot. We have to also define the function. Select room, new store, state, state dot select room. Let's click. Before doing that, select room index dot then. I think we'll use the navigate function. It shouldn't give an error, but anyways, dot then, yeah, I knew. Make an async function, mdn docs, as usual, async. How am I gonna do that? Let's try the async keyword. Beautiful. I think now I might be able to select the room. Beautiful. Select the room for bedroom, and this is gonna be lightroom. Nice, cool. But there's been an issue that it's not showing me the room name that I want to select because it's the current room name and the board page shows current room name. There was a typo in that. My bad. Bedroom. And however, like define your board. Just let me go with selected. We are editing this room, bedroom, editing this. Sorry, mining my language. Hmm. Editing room name. Editing bedroom. I cannot do anything more than that. I can just put a colon and just make it a bit visually appealing. Now you can select the room, or you can delete the room. That's your wish. Select the room, bedroom. You delete the room, you won't be able to select any of it. Okay. Room mota, add room. Or you can do one thing is that you can create 20 rooms, as much you want. So if I refresh, it doesn't show you any hint, right? So let's just put that also with that. And I think it's not in this one. There's no user, right? There isn't, so it's in the room list. That's not a good thing to do, but yeah, it's not in the room list. I think it's in the apartment page. And there's the user ref. Okay. Can we show any title or hint or something like that? I think we can. Let's just see. Enter key hint. What are the values that we can get? Okay, too many suggestions. Google. Show hint in input. HTML. What's the tag? Placeholder. ID name placeholder. Placeholder. But anyways, placeholder. Now what can we do? This is gonna be room name. Yep. Uh, hmm, what was the UI again? I guess I will have to refer the UI. I think I had put all the UI components inside it only. So let's just go to the startup projects, home automation, React app, my website, source. So there is no UI component we have, right? Flutter, Arduino UI, PHP scripts. Scripts we do have, and Android lib, OS. No, no, there I think I will have to go to WhatsApp. So privacy reasons, I'll have to switch off my screen, and let's just switch it off. But however, my that is on. Just for feedback. My bad. But privacy is privacy. Cannot do anything about it. No, the messages are loading. That's beautiful. Hmm. Fine. Hmm. Then 5:44. Let's get the UI quickly as fast as possible. Yep. Why has this not been downloaded yet? A little slow, man. A little slow. Okay. Downloads. Let me just directly put it inside. Our projects, website. No, not website. So startup projects, home automation, React app, HTML website. Um, uh, USS, USS. A big name. What can I do? Display capture. Checking everything is all right. Yeah. And so many. Let's just close the tabs that are not necessary right now because it's just taking up the PC's CPU. I think I need to put the task manager at minimized so that I'll be able to know that how much I'm consuming. Unless, like, by the way, I've just put it on this, but anyways, this is the UI that's gonna be made. So how much of the part that we have made is define your apartment, name the apartment. Actually, it had to be the name of the apartment. Okay, apartment name. My bad. And then number of room, add room functionality like that. Okay, my uncle wants like that. We can give him that also. We will have to create it in, you know what I'm saying. Okay, now this is gonna get challenging. Not challenging, apartment. name ref apartment name. Yeah, I know. Apartment name. Oh, wow. And this is definitely not the add room function that we are going to use. I will definitely comment it right now. I am not able to come. Whoa, net PC is slowing now. How much of the CPU am I using? Just check. Not that much. Hey, end task. Right now, I don't want to work with any installation or anything, right? Exactly. Let me do my work and Windows, please get the hell out of it. Thank you, Windows. Um, let's put it in a form. Um, do we need the form anyways? I think if we put it, then it's gonna be better. Apartment name, the apartments. Search for the apartments. Ah, thinking. Well, this is how he wants, so I cannot do anything. However, this thing can be changed. We'll show an element, input element with the card, and if we just click the add room, then that is gonna add the room. We can do that. Room list is here though, and we don't need it. Be there only. The function. Anyways, right now we don't need the diff. However, we need the diff. In many ways, we do a lot of things. Page input. Just get this thing, put it here. Here we are gonna use different thing. This is not gonna be add room. This is gonna be create room. This one. So it will tell that create that many rooms. Generate rooms, sorry, you would say. And I guess we need. Ah, nice. Oh, I'm not giving that functionality, bro. This is too much of a hassle, and I'm going to do that. Nah, 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 cannot. It's not apartment name. It's gonna be room name. Where is it? Placeholder. Hey, 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 what? Enter the apartment name. Let's try first of all the room name. Boardroom. Add room. Added. Beautiful. Smoke room. Added. Beautiful. Enter the apartment name, not generate rooms. Um, and I will have to create that many rooms and then um, I'm not going with it. Right now, we'll think of the functionality. Yeah, that's gonna be now to do. Generate rooms. Hey. Mm, I think there has been a mistake. Where does this div button go? Oh, what the hell? What does this div do, anyways? Remove a div. No issues. Too many divs I have been using, I guess. Button had to be wrapped in a div. Remove this div. Remove this div. Hey, remove this generate rooms first of all, man. Where the hell is it? Where's the button? Yeah, I'll just take this and paste it there, and I will just comment it. Right now, I want it to be clean, so that's why. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My bad. Anything else? If I select resume ASP32, add room, enter room name, cola room. We'll just add the room. Let's go back. We can go back because why not? Yep, cola room is there. We'll go nano, no room, add the room, smoke room. Added. Let's select no room. Now we are editing no room. And we have to select the boards as well. Yeah, so select room, smoke room, built again, select room, board room, light room, bedroom, board room, smoke room, card room. What's the battery level? Shit, it's 100%. My bad. Laptop is not that heated up, but let's consider I need a better battery life on my laptop. So, damn, not that much time has passed away and we have gone so far. That's a nice thing. Uh, so the UI that's being discussed here can be done, but it's much of a hassle than much of a UI design right now. Number of rooms, number of code. Well, and user input one room button will be displayed. The add room. button will be displayed. Performs number of board, and same functionality we have to add in the board page. You just have to change some of the logic because it's been defined already. Let me check if it's showing properly on the local host or not. So I'll just check it on my device. Oh, it's not visible anyways. Let's go with local host 3000 because it's available on 3000. Site cannot be reached. Beautiful. Why can I not reach it? Oh, because it's on localhost. Sorry. I have to put the IP, which is 133.3000. Beautiful. We are able to select ESP32. We are selected. Lul, add room. Obviously, this is a different device. Add room. Select room. Go back. Select room. Select room. Hmm. Let's add board in the rooms. Enter the board name. We will definitely do that. And that's also not much of a hassle, actually. Well, it is. Thinking. We can do that. Not an issue. Just go to the total controllers. Yeah. Why do you even need to go like that? Just go to rooms.length. Where's the device list anyways? Device list definitely uses that, right? Yeah. Yeah, we cannot because we don't know the index, but actually we can. Where's the map function? Yeah, we know the index now. That's why. Because see that thing I didn't know, right? Number of rooms, HMI devices, index rooms.length, room two per room per room. Go back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And let's not keep it here. Just get this thing right. And let me delete this one. With the device name itself, I would say no. I would say this rooms and just paste this thing in. Right. Two rooms, one rooms. Let's go back. Four rooms, zero rooms. Can be that, right? Did it. Nice. Let's just first of all, I'll have to git commit because there have been a lot of changes. Added add room functionality. Added add room. Delete room. Right now Looking for board page. Go to master. Sure. Let's just change the branch, board page work, publish branch. Once the work is done, then I will merge it. Because let's keep the main branch clean and the sacred branch, as I like to call. Too much brightness. For the lens, we are definitely gonna work on that. Anyways, okay. Let's select this room, and we definitely can go with the boards also, boards as well. Definitely to put those. Every room you do have boards, which is an empty array. Empty array. Boards. It's not boards, but no, it's not like that. Boards, boards, and there are no rooms in this beautiful. We'll have the control index. Things are gonna be easier. Once we have the basic structure, we'll just take a 2 minutes break. Actually, let's just switch everything off because So yeah, guys, we'll have to be, my bad. I'll have to end the stream right now because I have some work to do, some urgent work. My bad. I'm gonna leave. And just before leaving, let me just play something, like it should have been in the background. Let's just play it. And I'm playing that, like, I should have said that, but yes, yeah. Mm. So guys, now this music is not that good. Change some. So you're welcome. Yeah. So guys, bye. Yeah. Bye.